Hello, peace be upon you, my dear 8th graders. I hope you are fine, and I hope to see you soon. Today, we have a new lesson, and I'm sure you will like it because it's a very interesting lesson. Let's start now and enjoy watching. Okay, please open your book page 61 now. Open your book page 61. So today we are going to study about 3 points. Okay, the first point is must. Okay, the second point is mustn't, and the third point is needn't. Okay, great. Okay, let's start now with the first point, must. So, we use must, okay, plus infinitive without to. Again, we use must plus infinitive without to. So, infinitive without to means verb 1. Okay, so we use must plus verb 1 to say that something is necessary and it's very important to do it. Again, so we use must when you want to talk about something necessary. Okay, so if you have something necessary, you have to use must plus verb 1. Okay, so we use must again to say that something is necessary and it's very important to do it. Okay, for example now, number 1, in some Asian countries, you must eat with your right hand. So in some Asian countries like Jordan, you must eat with your right hand. Okay, like what? Mansaf. Okay, great. Number 2, you must be quiet in the school library. Again, you must be quiet in the school library. Great. So here we have something important. Okay, so we used here must plus verb 1 be. We used here you. Okay, must, you must plus verb 1. Okay, eat. Okay, great. So you must be quiet, okay, in the school library. So we have something necessary here, and you have to do it, or it's very important to do it. Okay. The third point, we must wear our school uniform. We must wear our school uniform. So we have something important here. Do you have notes? Look. We use must with all the pronouns, okay, singular and plural. So you can say you must, I must, she must, he must, it must. So we use must with all pronouns, singular and plural. Okay, now let's move to the second point. Okay, so the second point here is mustn't. We use mustn't plus infinitive without to, verb 1. So we use mustn't plus verb 1 to say that something is prohibited and it's very important not to do it. Look, to say that something is prohibited and it's very important not to do it. Yes. For example, we mustn't be late for school. We mustn't be late for school. So we used here mustn't plus verb 1. Mustn't plus verb 1. Thank you. Okay. Number 2, you mustn't use the mobile phone in the cinema. Again, you mustn't use. So we used here use verb 1. You mustn't use a mobile phone in the cinema. Okay, great. So we have what? We have what, teacher? It's very important not to do it. So you can't use or you mustn't use a mobile phone in a cinema. So it's very important not to do it. It's very important, okay, not to do it. So you can't or you mustn't use a mobile phone in a cinema. Okay. The third point here, you mustn't shout in the library. You mustn't shout in the library. So we used here mustn't, okay, plus verb 1, shout. Great job. Okay, let's move now. The third point. Yeah, here. We often use must or mustn't to express rules and laws. Again, we often use must or mustn't to express rules or what? Laws or rules and laws. Okay. For example, in the UK, UK, United Kingdom, United Kingdom. So, in the UK, you must be 17 to drive a car. In the UK, you must be 17 to drive a car. Great. Number 2. You mustn't smoke on airplanes. You mustn't smoke on airplanes. Thank you very much. Okay. You mustn't speak in court. You mustn't speak in court without the judge's permission. Okay, you mustn't. So we use the mustn't plus verb 1, speak in court without the judge's permission. Okay, let's move to the third point now. Needn't. Okay, the third point here, needn't. Okay, so we use needn't. Okay, we use needn't plus infinitive without to. So we use needn't plus verb 1 to say that something is not necessary but isn't against the rules. Okay, for example, you needn't bring a towel. Okay, you needn't bring a towel. There are towels at the swimming pool. Okay, but you can bring one if you want. Okay, but you can bring one if you want. Okay, number 2, you needn't take sandwiches. Again, you needn't take sandwiches as lunch is provided, but you can bring them if you want. Okay, great job. Here, teacher, you have homework, page 107. Homework, page 107. Exercise 2. What do the signs mean? Again, what do the signs mean? Complete the sentences with must or mustn't. So you have here 8 sentences. Okay. First, look at the signs here and complete the sentence. Use must or mustn't. Number 1 here, look for this sign. Okay. You mustn't turn left. You mustn't turn left. Okay. Number 2, you stop here. You stop here. So, you must stop here or you mustn't stop here? Yes, teacher. So, do it please and send it, okay, to me. And you have another homework, page 107. Rewrite the sentences using needn't, okay? Rewrite sentences using needn't. We have here 6 sentences. The first one, for example here, look. It isn't necessary for you to buy her a present, okay? It isn't necessary for you to buy her a present. So, you needn't buy her what present? You needn't buy her a present. Great. Number 2. It isn't necessary for us to drive on time. To arrive on time. Again, it isn't necessary for us to arrive on time. So, yes, us. So, we needn't arrive on time. Yes, great job. So, teacher, please do it. Okay, do this exercise and the previous one and send them to me. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this class. Thanks again. With my love, teacher Ron.